If your coding skills look like a tangled mess, you're in the right place. Let's untangle it with Python. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's versatile, easy to learn, and super powerful. Imagine writing code that's as readable as your favorite book. Yep, that's Python for you. With a syntax that's super friendly for beginners, you can start building cool projects in no time. Think about creating your own games, automating boring tasks, or even diving into data science. The possibilities are endless. And guess what? Python's massive community means tons of resources, and support are just a click away. From forums to tutorials, you'll never be stuck for long. So why wait? Grab your keyboard, fire up your computer, and start your Python journey today. Trust me, future you will thank you. Thank you for watching.